In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the door spring on your dishwasher. So you have to make your dishwasher accessible, which means you're going to have to pull it out of the opening. But once you have it out and exposed, then on your dishwasher, and it varies from machine to machine, to get the insulation up out of the way, you can usually see your door spring. And in most cases, they're either running horizontally along the frame, or it may be running up on a bit of an angle from the frame up to the hinge itself. But there will be typically two springs, one on either side. And if one's broken or worn out to the point that the end snapped off, it's usually best to change them both at the same time, because if one's gone, so is the other one. So in this machine, all we really need to do is to take a hold of the spring, pull it back, and it releases the hook from the hole here in the back of the frame. And then you just undo the spring from where it attaches to the cable. And that's how easy it is to remove a spring from your dishwasher.